Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the action button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. Keep holding the button. After the screen turns off, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release it. And at this point the watch should be turned off, so if you press buttons, nothing will happen. After the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the action button again. Keep holding the button until you see the Garmin logo on the screen. Like this. Once you see the logo, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. As you can see, we're back in the system, and that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.